Hey guys, today I have an unboxing of a goodie bag or a gift with purchase from Spacenk Goody. This was released recently and it kind of went like under the radar. Nobody received, or at least from what I know, most people didn't receive an email about this gift with purchase. I happened to stumble upon a post on a blog about this and I tried it out and it worked, so I got it. You had to purchase anywhere between like 60 or 65 pounds and then you would use the code BEAUTYGIFT2 and you would get this goodie bag. Here it is. It arrived just today. I'm gonna unbox it for you and share with you what I got. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. This is what it looks like when you first open it. I really like how they packaged it. It comes with golden tissue paper and a small leaflet that has all the products and the details that you need to know of the products inside. This smells strongly of a product by the brand This Works. Like, they have this very distinctive scent and I can smell it in here. Let me show you what we get. I really like how this is wrapped. It is really cute. Oops, one product just fell. Anyway, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got really nice, interesting products. So let me share with you the first one. It is by the brand This Works, and this is a hand cream for overwashed hands or very dry hands. It is called the Stress Check Kind Hands. We get 10 ml, and yeah, it is this that I could smell the whole time, even though it is sealed. Like, this is heavily fragranced. Next up, we've got a product by the brand Chantecaille. Very fancy. We are getting the Radiance Elixir. We are getting how much? 4 ml only, or 0.14 fluid ounces. This is supposed to be a glow-boosting, botanical-infused skincare serum. This is vegan and it contains 97.3% natural ingredients. It's supposed to hydrate and give you a glow. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my god, how cute is this? This is so tiny. It's really cute. Next, we've got a product by the brand Algenist. This is their liquid collagen. This is a product I've really been wanting to try. I did say previously that I'm interested in this brand, and this seems to be like their star product. How cute is this? Oh my god, this is so adorable. Even though this looks a little bit larger than the serum by Chantecaille, this has less product. It is 3.7 ml or 0.13 fluid ounces. It says here that this is a hardworking vegan serum. It is boosted with omega-3, 6, and 9 and vitamin E. It also helps to restore bounce, resilience, suppleness, and shine. And I can definitely use some of that. Next up, we've got an eye cream by the brand Caudalie. I think this is a new launch by this brand. It's got Resveratrol-Lift Firming Eye Gel. We are getting 5 ml and the full size of this is 15 ml, so this is a very decent size. This is a gentle cream that uses hyaluronic acid, vegan collagen to hydrate, plump, and revive tired-looking eyes. This also has resveratrol in it, and I did talk about that ingredient in another video. Sounds great, and I really appreciate that the size is decent enough to try it for a while. Next product is by the brand Amika. This is called the Soulfood Nourishing Mask. We are getting 60 ml or 2 fluid ounces. This is a hair mask that's supposed to moisturize and hydrate your hair. It smells really good. I have used this in the past. Yeah, it is sealed, but it has such a beautiful scent. It's a very nice scent, and yeah, it's a nice product overall. I don't remember noticing anything extraordinary, but it's a decent mask. Next up, we've got a product by the brand Omorovicza. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It is a Hungarian brand and very pricey brand. We are getting their daily vitamin C. We did get this in the past and I really enjoyed it. So I'm glad I got a new tiny bottle of this. This is what it looks like. How cute is the bottle? Like, I love these goodie bags just because of the cute packaging. It also comes with a pump. This is so cute. We are getting 5 ml, which is not bad. This would last you, I would say, like a week or so. So yeah, this is a really nice product and quite pricey. Next up, we've got a product by Biossance. It is the Squaline plus Omega Repair Cream. We are getting 5 ml, and I think this is like one of the best-selling products from Biossance. I personally haven't tried it, so I don't know what it's gonna be like, but this is what it looks like. And let me try it. Okay, it feels like a nice cream, not too thick, but also not too thin. It doesn't have any like specific scent. I think this is fragrance free, if I'm not mistaken. It's got squalane, so that is an amazing moisturizing ingredient, but it's also non-greasy. Next up, we've got a mask by the brand Eve Lom. This is the Moisture Mask. We are getting 8 ml or 0.26 fluid ounces. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's got like a gel texture. This is supposed to boost hydration and radiance in the skin. Next product is a face mask by the brand 111 Skin. This is the Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy Facial Mask. I really like 111 Skin masks. I think they are so good. They sit well on the skin, and honestly, I do see a difference when I use them. And they're quite pricey, so this would be worth quite a bit. I looked at the ingredients and I saw that this has caffeine, which is probably what's doing the depuffing and energizing. It's also got allantoin, which is super soothing. It's got hyaluronic acid, so it's got some really nice ingredients. Final product, and the one that I am most excited about, is the Sunday Riley Luna Oil. I love this oil. It is actually, in general, Sunday Riley makes my favorite oils. This is a beautiful product. It is clarifying, it is brightening. You wake up in the morning, your skin feels soft, hydrated, moisturized, brightened. It gives you a wonderful glow. What more can I ask for? I love this. I have gone through like multiple bottles of this. I also really like Juno. I am just so thrilled that this is in here. You are literally getting it for free. This is not like the full size, even though you can buy the size. It does come in a larger bottle as well, but you are getting 15 ml, and this will last you a very long time. I love this, and I think this is what made me the most excited about this goodie bag. You know, even though this goodie bag is much smaller than the larger ones, but what I like about it is that every single product is a product I'm interested in using. So I prefer a smaller goodie bag that has amazing products rather than a large one that has products that I would never buy on my own. You know what I mean? Honestly, now looking at it and comparing it to what Cultbeauty is offering, I don't know. To me, this is way better, and you're spending literally half of the money you have to spend to get the Cultbeauty one. I am so pleased with this one. I hope they come out with a big one that is as good as this. I don't know, it's been a while since they did a big one, but yeah, this one isn't a bad one at all. That was it for today's unboxing. I hope you liked it. I know a lot of you did get it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my future content. Bye guys!